There is an ad on YouTube and other social media claiming you can get money from the property you don't even own thanks to tax yield investments. I watched their lengthy presentation. They say you can make money if you just point, click, profit and repeat using their system. The system discount price is $97. But is it worth it? When I was fact-checking the presentation, I found a few things that didn't sound right and realistic. Okay, so what they offer you is to teach you how to buy tax yield certificates offered by the local government. The certificates are issued because some local homeowners are late on their property tax payments. Your money covers those taxes, and then when the homeowners pay off the property tax debt, the money goes to you. You get the initial amount you invested plus a certain interest. What I found to be unrealistic in the presentation is that they say you will always get from 10 to 24% from your investment, and sometimes even up to 5,000%. This is not true. These types of investments are actually called tax lien certificates. The return might as well be as low as 4%. And this number is annual. In the presentation, they make it sound like once the property tax that is paid by the homeowner, that you will get the promised interest. But if, let's say, the return is 10% and you are holding the certificate for just 3 months with $1,000 invested, then the profit would be just around $25 plus the initial amount. So to make $2,000 a month, as they show in their presentation, with this level of return, you would have to invest at least $240,000. And if the return is less than 10% annual, then this amount will be even higher, up to $600,000. That's not the only claim that I found to be misleading. In the presentation, they say if the homeowner doesn't pay off his debt in property taxes, then you would acquire his property, and this way you would make huge returns on a small investment. The reality is that you, as a holder of tax lien certificate, can initiate the foreclosure process, and the homeowner would have to sell his property on auction and pay you what he owns from the money he will receive after he sells his house. But if you don't participate in the auction yourself and don't put your money on the table, then you won't get the house just like that. It's a fairy tale. There is almost no sense in starting this investment journey if you have a very little capital on your hands. If you're planning on investing, say, $100 a month in tax yield certificates, please be aware that taxyields.com will eat up the most part of your investment. Since this course works like a subscription, it's not just a one-time payment. Also, on the side, it says that you shouldn't treat what they tell you as financial advice. I agree with this one, to be honest. Listen, to invest money is a great way to care about your future. But when you pay someone to tell you how you will be rich in months, this shouldn't be considered an investment. You pay for promises, not for future returns. I hope this information will help you. Take care and good luck to you all.